Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into what to expect during week 14 of pregnancy, covering everything from symptoms to baby development and tips on nutrition. So if you're in your second trimester, or just curious about pregnancy in general, make sure you stick around for all the details. First things first, week 14 marks the beginning of your second trimester. You've likely made it through the first trimesters, early struggles like morning, sickness and fatigue, and now things might feel a bit easier. But what's happening inside your body and with your baby at this stage? 1. Pregnancy symptoms in week 14. Let's talk about the symptoms. Week 14 brings a few changes you'll want to keep an eye on. Here's what you might experience. Decreased morning sickness. For many women, nausea and vomiting start to fade by week 14, and it's a relief. You may start feeling more like yourself again, but some mild nausea could still linger. Increased energy. Good news. You'll likely feel a surge of energy as your body adjusts to pregnancy. Many moms-to-be find that they feel more like their old selves, able to take on more activities without the exhaustion of the first trimester. Growing belly. Your belly may begin to show more by now. The baby bump is becoming noticeable, and some women may even start showing a bit earlier. If this isn't their first pregnancy. Increased blood flow. Your body is working harder to supply nutrients to your growing baby, which can make your skin appear more vibrant or flushed. It's also common to notice more blood flow to your gums and nose. So don't be alarmed if you see some light bleeding. Round ligament pain. You might feel a sharp, brief pain on either side of your lower abdomen. This is caused by the stretching of the ligaments as your uterus grows. 2. Baby development in week 14. Now, let's focus on your baby's growth. By week 14, your baby is around 3.4 inches long, about the size of a lemon. Here's what's happening. The baby's arms and legs are becoming more proportionate to their body. Those tiny fingers and toes now have distinct finger and toenails, and they can move their arms and legs around, though you won't be able to feel it just yet. Facial features are continuing to develop. Your baby's eyes are now facing forward, and eyebrows and eyelashes are beginning to form. The baby's kidneys are starting to produce urine, and their liver is functioning to produce bile. Tiny hair follicles are forming on their scalp too. 3. Nutrition in week 14. Nutrition continues to play a vital role in your pregnancy. Let's talk about some foods that are great for both you and your baby at week 14. Folate-rich foods. At week 14, folate is still incredibly important for your baby's development. Include folate-rich foods like leafy greens, avocados, and beans to support brain and spinal cord development. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for your baby's brain development. Foods like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts are fantastic sources. Just remember to eat fish that's low in mercury. Hydration. Stay hydrated. Your blood volume is increasing, and staying hydrated helps maintain healthy amniotic fluid levels and supports overall wellness. Protein and whole grains. Protein-rich foods like chicken, eggs, and beans are important for your baby's muscle and tissue growth. Whole grains like oats and quinoa will give you that steady energy to keep you going throughout the day. 4. What to avoid in week 14. There are also a few things you should still avoid in week 14 to keep both you and your baby safe. Avoid raw or undercooked meats, eggs, and seafood to reduce the risk of foodborne illnesses. Continue to avoid smoking, alcohol, and recreational drugs, as these can harm your baby's development. Also, be mindful of lifting heavy objects and strenuous activities. Stick to light exercise and consult your doctor for recommendations. So, that wraps up our look at week 14 of pregnancy. As your pregnancy continues, things will only get more exciting as you feel the baby grow and develop. Remember to keep up with regular checkups. Stay active, eat well, and listen to your body. If you have any questions or tips you'd like to share, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more pregnancy tips and updates.